They are continuing construction on the land, misusing the status quo order in a state suit, your lordship. So, lordship, my only humble submission is that if I can be granted the liberty to challenge that order, your lordship.
What happened to your 3912? Have you challenged that order here before this court?
Yes, your lordship, the MA is with respect to that only, your lordship.
That is in respect of 151, 3912 they have not challenged. 151 fresh application was stay. This is under challenge in the connected matter. So court rejected that when there is specific provision of 39 to 151 cannot be exercised. So that is a connected matter MA, not 3912.
No, lordship, in that my application is rejected, not for this reason, but for the reason that they have a status quo order in the another suit. May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is a petition by the defendant, as my application for recall of an order has been dismissed. I am the defendant, your lordship, and this is a suit by the plaintiff.
What is the impugned order?
And the application for recall of the order has been dismissed, your lordship.
Recall of the order.
Yes.
Under 47 rule 1,
No, lordship, 151, your lordship.
151.
Yes, your lordship.
So the provision will apply the same. Recall of the order under what provision?
Lordship, it is the difficulty is that, lordship, let me explain the checkered history of the case, your lordship. Lordship, in this suit, out of which this miscellaneous petition arises, I am the defendant in that suit.
How the order is recalled in the trial court? Under what provision?
Lordship,
After order 47, but it would amount to time bar. That's why 151 has been paid.
Arey, whatever it may be, you say whatever provision, but what analogy would be applicable?
Lordship, I am praying for exercise of inherent powers because looking at the peculiar facts and
When
circumstances of the
inherent
case.
powers are exercised in absence of any power which has not been given under the procedure. When there is a procedure, what are inherent powers are going to be
Lordship,
exercised by the
I am not asking for review of the order. I'm calling for asking for the recall of the order.
What is that?
Lordship, let me explain, Lordship.
What is
my
that?
case. Let me just explain my case, Your
Ah.
Lordship. Lordship, in this case, this is a suit by the plaintiff. With respect to the same subject matter, the same property, I had filed an earlier suit, Your Lordship. In that suit, Your Lordship, I had prayed for cancellation of the power of attorney as well as the sale deed by which they have gotten the property.
In the earlier suit?
In the earlier suit.
Ah.
Lordship. So, Lordship, that suit was going on. In that, I had filed an application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2, Your Lordship. That application was pending, Your Lordship. During the pendency of the suit, Your Lordship, rather than bringing a counterclaim, they filed a separate suit in which they are asking for a declaration of title over the same property, Your Lordship. That suit is the subject suit out of which this petition arises, Your Lordship. In that suit, Your Lordship, because I had an earlier suit, I filed an application under Section 10, Your Lordship. Because my suit is earlier in time, the property is the same. So I prayed that that suit may be stayed at that point of time, Your Lordship. In that suit, during the pendency of my Section 10 application, they filed an application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2. Admittedly, after my application, Your Lordship. The trial court first decides their application, grants them status quo, not injunction, only status quo, and then decides my Section 10 application and stays the suit, Your Lordship. Now, because in this suit, there is a status quo order in their favor, my applications for injunctions in my earlier suit, which were earlier in time, keeps on getting dismissed, Your Lordship. The connected MA is arising out of one such application only, Your Lordship. The reason cited for dismissal of my injunction or status quo applications is that because in the other suit, they already have a status quo order in their favor. So, Lordship, the difficulty that I'm facing right now in my suit is, which is an earlier suit, is that in that suit, Your Lordship, I'm not able to get any interim protection. They have a status quo order. Misusing that status quo order, they are developing the land, Lordship. It is a different question whether the status quo order permits them or not. But, Lordship, I want to take some interim protection on that. And that is why I filed application under Order 39-1-2 read with 151. 3-4 applications I filed in my suit.
इनकी भी allow कर देते हैं? दोनों जना enjoy करो.
Lordship, one submission, Lordship, one submission, Your Lordship. The reason why I filed for recall of that Section 10 order is, Your Lordship, because I want that the suits may be consolidated and be tried together. It is arising out of the same property. They are asking for a relief, which if they get, my relief will go, and if I get the relief, their relief will go.
But that is not a correct procedure. If you are aggrieved by Section 10 order, then you should come here.
That is the finding of trial.
Lordship, the trial court has not
How it
given
can
any
be recalled?
Lordship, the trial court has not given any finding. May kindly refer to the finding, Your Lordship.
Trial court can exercise the power under Article 227.
No, Lordship, it is
Then they have to exercise the power under what? 47.
Lordship under 151.
151 inherent powers cannot be for the tomorrow you will file an application in the executing court. This court has filed a judgment and decree. Recall it.
No, Your Lordship.
The whole hierarchy will go.
No, Lordship, that is certainly not the case. But Lordship, may kindly see the
If
impugned
you are
order for a
aggrieved
minute.
by any order, either you file a review under 47 rule 1 saying that this comes within the purview of 47 1.
Yes, yes.
Error apparent on the face of record. There is only one question. Inherent powers, how it can be recalled?
Lordship, the Supreme Court has held in numerous cases that power of recall is inherent in the court, Your Lordship. And
Power of-
if I am able to satisfy the court that this is a befitting case for exercising power of recall, Your
What
Lordship.
are the ingredients?
Lordship,
Even in 151, suppose that you say that this application is in the headings of 151, comes within the purview of 47(1), then we can understand.
that is why, Your Lordship, may please kindly peruse my application for a minute, Your Lordship. That application is, Lordship.
But even the question would be that whether exercising power under order 47 rule 1, order can be recalled,
Lord-
this can be corrected.
Lordship, that is the
If
difficult.
there is an apparent error on the face of record.
That is the reason, Lordship, I have not gone in review, Your Lordship, because it is not a case of error apparent on the
You were
record.
smart enough to invoke the provisions of inherent powers of the court for recalling that order instead of coming here.
Lordship,
I will give you liberty.
Lordship may just kindly see my application and impute order for a minute. I'll bow down to that after. Lordship, it is page number 60, annexure P7, Your Lordship.
Page number?
60 P7, Your Lordship.
Yes. 60.
Lordship. Lordship, paragraph number 6.
Paragraph number 6.
That is on page 61.
Hmm.
I have written, Your Lordship, यह कि प्रतिवादी की ओर से प्रकरण क्रमांक 1021A of 2014, this is my suit earlier in time, वादी के वर्तमान प्रकरण को प्रस्तुत करने के पूर्व प्रस्तुत किया था, परंतु वर्तमान वाद में प्रकरण की कार्रवाई को स्थगित करने के पूर्व वादी के पक्ष में यथास्थिति का आदेश पारित हो जाने के कारण प्रतिवादी द्वारा प्रस्तुत किए गए प्रकरण सो एंड सो में प्रतिवादी की ओर से प्रस्तुत किए गए वाद में आवेदन पत्र अंतर्गत आदेश 39 नियम 1 और 2 के आवेदन इस आधार पर माननीय विचारण न्यायालय द्वारा निरस्त किए गए हैं कि वर्तमान वाद में वादी के पक्ष में यथास्थिति का आदेश है. लॉर्डशिप, दिस इज माय रीजन. मे सी द इम्प्यून ऑर्डर, योर लॉर्डशिप. द इम्प्यून ऑर्डर, ओनली वन पैराग्राफ ऑन पेज नंबर 68. Lordship,
68 तो some application का 151 P9 होगा.
Lordship, it is on
P9.
P9 or 68 page, your lordship.
P9 68 पे नहीं, P9 तो 70 से चालू है. नहीं तो इसमें पेजिंग गड़बड़ है.
Lordship,
67 से चालू. इसमें जो
वो ERP
इंडेक्स है,
में-
इंडेक्स में नंबरिंग गड़बड़ है.
ARP में चेंज हो जाता है सर.
अच्छा.
Lordship, I am referring to annexure P9.
ये तो सुधार का वो है.
वो क्या होता है, जब फर्स्ट पेज का पेजिंग एक नंबर होता है, ERP में वो पेजिंग हम लोग जो करते हैं उसको ERP पे कन्वर्ट होकर पेजिंग एक नंबर से होता है जो फर्स्ट इंडेक्स होता है. दैट्स व्हाई समटाइम्स दो पेज एक पेज का
वो मेमो से पेज नंबर 1 देख लेते हैं सर. हम लोग जब लिखते हैं तो हम इंडेक्स से देखते हैं उसमें पेज नंबर. लॉर्डशिप, द लास्ट आई एम रेफरिंग टू annexure P9, योर लॉर्डशिप.
हाँ.
उसमें लास्ट पैराग्राफ में कोर्ट का डिस्कशन है. उसके पहले कोर्ट इज जस्ट रिप्रोड्यूसिंग आवर कंटेंशंस. सेकंड लास्ट पैराग्राफ.
प्रकरण के अवलोकन से दर्शित
Yes.
प्रतिवादी द्वारा प्रस्तुत आवेदन अंतर्गत धारा 10 CPC के निराकरण में दिनांक धारा विचार करके प्रकरण का के पूर्ववर्ती क्रमांक अभी कोई जानकारी प्राप्त नहीं. पूर्ववर्ती वाद क्रमांक के निराकरण के संबंध में अभी कोई दिनांक इसको वापस किए जाने का निवेदन अस्वीकार किया जाता है.
So, Lordship, the reason for dismissing my application is having no information about the suit. So, Lordship, at best, if my Lord is not convinced to interfere, it can be remanded back to be adjudicated afresh because, Your Lordship, I am facing grave prejudice. And suppose, Your Lordship, both the suits are consolidated, no
Instead of
prejudice will
sending
be.
you back there, I will give you liberty that you file proper constituted petition under Article 27 challenging that earlier order. You will have everything in your hand. That is correct procedure. Instead of, because ultimately it is your choice, or you can say that what you feel is right, you are asking for, but it is not good for your client. Again, it will go, again, he will say for some other reason, he will say, I have no power under 151, or he will say that under 47 rule 1, this does not fall for recalling of the, then again he will come. It's better you take original, you challenge the original order.
Lordship, if liberty is granted, then certainly I can peruse that. I just wanted to bring in before my Lord the prejudice that is being caused to me. And, Your Lordship,
So
the
I'm
fact
saying
that no prejudice is caused to them. It is their suit.
That's what I'm saying. You challenge that order with, on the application of by which they this thing you got recall.
18/8/2015.
The order you challenge that order of which you have sought recall.
Lordship, if liberty is granted, I can pursue that liberty, Your Lordship.
ये 18/8/15 का जो order है.
Yes, Your Lordship.
9 years.
15 का ऑर्डर है यार.
9 years.
Lordship, that the difficulty,
एप्लीकेशन में कब लगा दी तुमने?
Lordship, the difficulty is that in my suit,
Hmm.
I'm not able to get any interim protection because of this order. And the MA is with respect to that only, your Lordship.
What you have been doing all these years?
Lordship, we were
10
attempting.
years.
Lordship, we were genuinely making attempt to impress the court that there is a violation of the status quo order. You please grant us protection. You stop them from developing the land. We have filed 3-4 applications. It is a matter of record, your Lordship. But in being influenced by the earlier stay order in another suit, my applications are not being entertained. There is no order on merits rejecting my application. Every time my application gets rejected for this reason only, your Lordship. That because there is a status quo order in another suit, so we
this
are
was for what?
for
for-
declaration of title and injunction.
And your suit?
For cancellation of power of attorney and sale deed by which they get the title, by which they claim to get the title. So it's the same thing, your Lordship. There is no dispute with respect to the fact that the subject matter is same. That is why my section 10 was allowed way back. So that is not in dispute. My difficulty is, Lordship, I am in front of you, I am in your hands, your Lordship, because the only difficulty is that my earlier application of section 10 in their suit is kept pending and their 3912 gets decided. That has become the major roadblock in my suit. And Lordship, what prejudice will be caused if both the suits are
Section 10 was allowed on your application.
Yes, only their own.
yes, your Lordship.
So now you want a recall of that?
Yes,
order.
yes.
That is why, Lordship, I am pleading before this court that I may be allowed. And Lordship, if both the suits are tried together, no prejudice will be caused. It will be in the interest of justice if both the suits are tried together. The finality will be achieved in both the suit. Either their claim will succeed or my claim will succeed. Unnecessarily, we are fighting in two different litigation. They should have filed a counterclaim in the first place. But for reasons known best to them, I'm not disputing that, they chose to file a separate suit in this, your Lordship. So, Lordship, I am in a very difficult case, I understand, but I am in front of you because the prejudice being caused to me is continuing till now. Again and again, my applications are getting rejected, being influenced by the status quo order in their favor. That is why it has become very much necessary for me to get the stay removed, your Lordship. Lordship, I may be granted one opportunity. I have a judgment to court, your Lordship. I will supply that on the next date. If it can be kept on
They will supply the
25th.
judgment, they will reserve it because.
Lordship, it can be kept
8
on
or 7
25th,
years.
your Lordship.
They make a request, then they take an adjournment. This is not correct. Earlier order sheets were
Lordship, in the MA which is connected.
So what your friend has suggested you that the court is going to dismiss this?
No, your Lordship.
Then
No, that is for something else, your Lordship.
that too after practice of 25 years. उसका बेस्ट पॉसिबल यही है कि अल्टीमेटली कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसे ही खेलती रहो.
Lordship, in the interest of justice, one opportunity may be granted. If on the next date, if nothing changes, Lordship has already made up their mind, they can pass the order, your Lordship. Because, your Lordship, I want to just make out a case of prejudice, your Lordship. That is why if I can
Correct,
be
but that
granted
should be some things within some provision of the law. Na?
Lordship, one opportunity may be granted in interest of justice to make out a case. Lordship. I will supply one judgment, your Lordship.
They supply judgment within 2 days. I have already uploaded 4 judgments and on 151 this cannot be done. 4 judgments. So including Supreme Court and this Honorable Court. Because second petition is also injunction order 151 is challenged. Not exercising 3912. So all 4 judgments are in respect of 151.
Lordship, in that
Supplied
case,
the copy
it was
a
very
week ago, last
difficult.
week copy has been supplied by me.
In that case, it was very difficult for me to get them on board, your Lordship. They were enjoying stay in another MP which got dismissed in May from the same suit. So I got it tagged only so that the requirement of
Yeah.
notice can be dispensed.
They have tagged this petition.
Because, your Lordship, they were
You do one thing for both of you. It is in the interest of both of you. You withdraw with the liberty to file an application for analogous hearing.
Lordship, then rather than that, the earlier liberty would be more beneficial for me. If I can challenge that order with liberty, Lordship, I can satisfy the trial court the prejudice that is being caused to me.
Inherent powers are there, but
And-
supervisory jurisdiction and Shalini Shetty light, 9 years they are seeking
And-
liberty of 9 years.
Lordship, with the MA, I'll come to the
No, I
MA
didn't know
also.
about it. That it is of the 2015 order. That's why I wanted to give you liberty that at least challenge that original order, so something would be given to your client.
I understand.
This
Lordship.
order is of 2015, and your application must be 151 in 2025.
Yes, Your Lordship.
After 8 years, 7 years.
And then, what have you been doing? All these years?
Lordship, I have been prosecuting my suit. Admittedly, I've been prosecuting my suit.
So now you
But
are
in
only
that-
aggrieved by the fact that because there in your case the stay has not been granted.
No, your lordship, the problem is that in my suit, they had filed an MP which was disposed of in May, in which they were enjoying stay for a year, your lordship. After that, I had come in MA, joined them as a party because they were not accepting my notice, and that petition got dismissed in May, your lordship, 16th May 2025. So for the past 1.5 years, my suit could not
dismissed,
be
not dismissed.
disposed, your lordship.
With the
Disposed.
directions.
I appreciate, I respect that, your lordship. Well, it was disposed with that direction, but lordship, for 1.5 years, my suit was not going anywhere. They are continuing construction on the land, misusing the status quo order in a state suit, your lordship. So, lordship, my only humble submission is that if I can be granted the
So-
liberty to challenge that order, your lordship.
What happened to your 3912? Have you challenged that order here before this court?
Yes, your lordship, the MA is with respect to that only, your
That
lordship.
is in respect of 151. 3912 they have not challenged. 151 fresh application for stay. This is under challenge under the connected matter. So court rejected that when there is specific provision of 39 to 151 cannot be exercised. So that is a connected matter, MA, not 3912.
No, lordship, in that my application is rejected, not for this reason, but for the reason that they have a status quo order in the another suit. That is the reason, your lordship. And consistently 4 or 5 applications of mine have been dismissed, your lordship, on this ground only.
तो अगर उनके उसमें क्या स्टे है स्टेटस को
Status quo, your lordship. यथास्थिति का order है.
तो
39
तो फिर वो how can they raise a construction over it?
That's the difficulty, your lordship. That's what I want to bring before the court. But the court is
So
getting
why are you
influenced.
not initiating under 3928?
Yes, that's what.
Lordship, the difficulty is that any application, whether irrespective of the title of the application, my contents are the same. It is the
Right.
same.
You yourself is saying that both the suits are same. Either this way you have challenged it or by way they have challenged.
Your lordship.
Ultimately, the crux of the matter is that the sale date and the power of attorney are correct or not.
Yep.
That is the question in both the suits.
Yes, your lordship.
So even if they got a stay in their suit, that will be applicable in your suit also, status quo. So if they are selling it, so they are breaching the order of the court.
Lordship, but so if I have to file an application in the 39(2)(a), I have to file it in the state suit only. Because they've gotten the stay order in the same suit.
Separate MJC.
Registered under separate
Separate
MJC.
MJC.
39(2)(a) is registered under separate MJC. That has got nothing to do with that suit.
I appreciate that, your lordship. Lordship may grant me just a week's time. I want to supply one judgment. If after that, if your lordship feels that
After arguing for some time, the petitioner praised time to submit case law in support of his submission. List in the next week.
As far as connected matter, if he is ready on that.
lordship, both of them can be taken.